What's up, gang?
So we gonna work on that Huracan. It's late, but we want to get the battery in and we want to try to get that thing running. That's our main concern right now. And I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this Huracan for $14. Down here in the garage, first thing's gonna be the battery. I don't know how long it's set at the auction, but I know they usually always need a battery, so no start, we're gonna replace the battery. And I know it looks like shit, but this thing was stored inside a warehouse where cars were getting moved dailies, and yeah, it's just dusty. But she's gonna work on the bumper, getting the bumper removed, while I work on getting that fuse and the battery replaced. So we got a bunch of tools we ordered off Amazon just to be able to work on this thing. Somebody wrecked into it. Yep, I took off from the cops and they hit me. They tried to stop me. So if you got a Lamborghini that's been wrecked and does not start, this little thing goes in the fuse box way back there. And it's like an airbag. It'll blow and it'll cut the current to everything. So it cuts the current to all the electronics for the starter. So we're gonna hope we can get it started with that. And she's gonna pull the bumper off. Like I ain't said that 5 times. All right, so this little fuse right here, I'm gonna try to zoom in. That one has a sensor. When you wreck, this sensor throws a little thing in there and it just breaks the metal. So it no longer has connection on these two. So that's what we're hoping is the reason it doesn't start. This piece from Lamborghini is $280. And this one from Amazon that fits a Volkswagen, no, it fits Audi. I think I found it for Audi A6. This piece is $14. Same part number, same everything. So we're gonna see if this works, but it's just two screws holding onto it. And then you gotta unhook the little purple switch. The color is different. Well, I don't know what color that is, but we'll see. So now that we got it off, it's that piece right there. So this was, hold on, how was it? Okay, so that's the inside of the piece. When you get into a car accident, the airbags blow this. And as you can see, if I can zoom in right, it completely cuts the current off. You see that? And then to get this connector, I was trying to open it. You don't need to open it. Don't do that. I might have messed it up. But you just put a screwdriver underneath it and you just pry it off. All right, so we got that piece in. Now to get the battery in, and then I also seen online that this right here on the battery can also blow. So if this doesn't work, then the next thing is gonna be replacing this. I believe that's what it was. Might have been this one down here. I don't know, I'm sure we'll figure it out. All right, so we've got a fresh battery in there. And also, don't spend no $800 for no battery. You can get this at AutoZone. Same battery I used on the other Huracan. And we should have power to it. You want to record it? You want to try to see if we can start it up?
I don't know.
You want to close that door?
Where do you want me to record from?
Huh?
Where do you want me to record from? Huh? Where?
It's fine, it don't matter. Okay. So let's start.
told you it
We're gonna
would.
send it to the auction. We can make like 20 grand on it right now. And we can take the money that we had, plus this. We got another one that's ready to go.
What are you doing?
What's the fun in that?
What are you doing?
All the fault lines are gone. No more check coolant, no more steering issue. Everything but the seatbelt and airbag lights is on.
What'd I tell you? You have to have a little more faith, baby. I'm not even a person that has faith.
So we got it fixed for $14, right? Pretty much. Now it's a running Huracan. So I'm thinking, let's run it back through the auction and make 20 grand on it. She wants to go all the way and just fix it and drive it. So I guess we'll see. So now you know if you have a wrecked Huracan, an Audi, a Volkswagen, an A6, this piece right here will blow and it'll keep it from starting. It wasn't hard to get it off either. But now it runs and drives. Now we can take all this stuff off and try to figure out what the next step is. And now I can go bid on some Audis that don't run and drive from the auction. So, because I know what it's going to be. That's a good chance. So, see y'all in the next video. Next time it'll be running. I mean, it's already running. We'll have all this stuff off.
Hopefully.